So picture this. It's Monday. Your boss walks over. Your heart skips a beat. I sent you an email, he says. You shudder. But you open it. It's an Excel workbook. It's February, so there are only 28 sheets of data. You know the drill. Open it, open a new sheet, copy, paste. Finally, you're done. But why don't the numbers add up? Oh man, the row count is wrong somewhere. Well, which sheet did I do it from? I have no idea. You have to start again. Now it's your end. Now it's a zip file with 12 workbooks. And you do it over and over again. I've seen this happen so many times with my coworkers, with our clients, across industries, and the common denominator is the same. It sucks. It's disempowering, and it wastes a ton of time. But you do it again and again. Why? Because that's just how it's done. That's just how you work with spreadsheets, right? And you think that you have no other option. But deep down, you're asking yourself, surely there's a better way? Well, yes, you can automate these mundane business tasks with code and simple coding scripts. In this course, we're going to learn how to take an extremely complicated, yet fairly common collection of Excel workbooks, and we're going to write a script that's going to collect data from thousands of different sheets and put them into one Excel workbook just like that. And the best part about it, you don't need to be a software developer. You need to know absolutely nothing about programming, databases, infrastructure. All you need is basic logic, English and math, and a willingness to learn. This course will teach you tools that will transform your work life. I'll teach you how to think like a problem solver, and I'll teach you how to automate mundane and repetitive tasks your way. Because it's real low code, but it's still code. That means that you are in full control. So let's take control of your time so that you have the time to focus on doing the things that you actually want to do.